So if you've purchased one of these, like I illustrated at the very beginning, then you may want to consider the X3 Hurricane because it eliminates the need of purchasing any of those compressed air solutions. It's also much better for the environment and it has a lot more flexibility. So let's go ahead and check this out. Now in the box, you're going to get your X3 Hurricane. You'll have a charging brick, as well as multiple tips that you can use with the unit. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available. So now let's talk about why you want to consider this. So this unit will be able to compress air, the equivalent of 2,600 cans of this guy right here. 2,600. And not only that, but it's using just normal air. It is pushing out air through this area here once you connect these adapters at a speed of 260 miles per hour. That is pretty incredible. So again, it's going to be energy efficient, it is going to be environmentally efficient, and it's going to last you a very long time. Now keep in mind that these things aren't inexpensive, but over the lifetime, if you are someone who deals with a lot of electronics, you're a service technician, or you're just a hobbyist like I am, this is definitely something that's going to eliminate a lot of those cans. So let's take a closer look at the X3 Hurricane now. So basically what you have is a trigger. You do have where you would connect all your adapters. As you can see, I have one connected here. You have here on the back your charging port. And the neat thing about this is, unlike regular cans of compressed air, so something like this, if I were to flip this upside down, let me show you what's going to happen. We're just going to put it on this paper, and I'm just going to spray. What you do is it gets wet, right? You can't spray this can upside down. You can do it this way or sideways, but never upside down. With this unit, you can press this trigger right here, and it's going to get a little loud, so let's see how we can do with this. We'll go ahead and press it, right? And just so you can get a sense of the actual power, let's do this. All right? But with this unit, you can actually blow this way, upside down, and we'll bring this back into view. Every which way that you need. So if you're working with any kind of PC, cable box, anything that you're looking to clean out, you can use this to do that at any angle. Again, right side up, sideways, or even upside down, something that you can't do with traditional cans. So guys, that concludes our review of the X3 Hurricane. A really simple solution, a must-have gadget for hobbyists and anyone who just likes keeping a dust-free environment. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.